Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bitcoin Cash. Are we going finally down to the buy line and test 150, or we continue moving much higher? Let's dive in. First of all, I recommend you subscribe my channel and join to my Telegram channel. It's sort of for free. So 6 days ago, I market. It was a video about Bitcoin Cash, take a profit. So it was the last day of June, this candle, and I market. Now you can take a profit. At least withdraw your initial deposit and just leave free coins and the right to this monthly gap if you still think we have a potential. Do we really have a potential? Yes, we have. So after this call, Bitcoin Cash going to correction 24%. So even from body candle to the week, we got 18%. Like you can see on trade on, we still didn't see signal to sell. It's hard to believe, so we didn't see any signal to sell or even close position, because we got a main signal to buy here on the daily, this take profit for intraday, and no signal to sell. We got main signal to buy in June 2022 at 110. And we got a take profit signal on weekly at 220. So can we go much higher one more week by end of June and August? Can we reach this target? This is the next monthly gap, So I market this one. There, after this gap, everything's totally empty. So basically, after this gap, everybody can start screaming. We go into zero level, we go into 0.23, 38, 0.5, even to 2K500, but it can be the trap. And I think, yes, until we didn't see any signal to sell, even on a daily, on a 12-hour time frame, yes, we got. But of course, it's just intraday trades. So we got this local trades. This one was 12% drop, but we recover almost immediately, So we close this 12-hour time frame gaps, So next one is here, but it's not necessary. So we have to come back and close every single gaps, on 12-hour time frame, on 4-hour time frame. The higher time frame, the strongest signal. So until now, we didn't see any signal to close position on a daily. That's why I highly recommend you go and watch my today video about Bitcoin dominance and XWG, and maybe we'll see the similar situation like with XWG when we start forming something like this one. So now everybody expecting the drop, but we can forming something like this one, for example. We can form the triangle, and by end of this weekend we can see the crucial moment. If we breaking out, retest, we can go in much higher. But if we breaking it down lower than this low, reject, yes, in this case, we can go into correction by end of June. So now it's kind of risky to open any single trade because, of course, it's not a good idea to trade a coin which already made over than 250%. Like remember, XWG made over than almost 600%, and we can go and close all this monthly gap. And after that, go into correction. So now the narrative, Bitcoin have to go into 20K. But like the market makers always works in opposite way the crowd expectation. In this area, yes, we start seeing the signal to sell on a daily and maybe even the signal to sell on a weekly when we liquidate this stop losses and close at least 50% or even fulfill of the monthly gap. Fulfill will be at 528. You should already fix some part of your position here at take profit line. Yes, we can go much higher because all lines are dynamic, and like you can see, these lines start curve up, and we can see even continuation up, and only after that we're going down and retest the buy line like this one with a squeeze to 150. So now it's kind of risky. Just personally for me, it's kind of risky to open any single position for Bitcoin Cash. Buying on a spot, for me, it's kind of too late. Of course, because accumulation stage was here. Like investment after almost a 300% profit, it's kind of weird. You know, better wait one more entry point or find another altcoin. So guys, write please in a comment, what do you think about Bitcoin Cash? Are we going up or down? Because I think most likely, yes, I can be wrong, most likely we can see the breaking out much higher and continuation to these targets. This is a bullish scenario around 128 till 150. In this area, I would like to maybe buy some Bitcoin Cash for speculation. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what do you think about this current situation in Bitcoin Cash. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.